Hello players, so today we will battle between these two beasts, Storm Pegasus and Lightning Drago. So in this video, and like and subscribe please. So in this video, I'm gonna launch only Pegasus and I will see that Drago spin steal or not. Okay, so let's go. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Here is Pegasus and here is Drago. Now let's see Drago spin steals or not. Okay, Drago spin stealing and who gonna win? Okay, Pegasus win. Now let's launch Drago first. Okay. Drago loses again. Pegasus win by 2 points, and now it's the last chance. Okay. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. So now let's see if spin steals or not. Drago. Okay, Drago loses. So Harvey Pegasus, Storm Pegasus wins this battle. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. So that is for today. Thanks for watching.